Woohoo, ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of BRITECH's cordless lightweight stick vacuum cleaner because it's really not only a versatile and powerful vacuum, but because I want to show why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So BRITECH's vacuum is, like I said, a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It's got a runtime of up to 40 minutes. It comes with a ton of swappable heads for different surfaces. And when you fully extend the wand, its battery and cyclone actually fit perfectly on standardized tabletops, allowing you to just prop it up anywhere there's a table without it falling over, which is really nice. Obviously, it comes with a way to charge it as well, and a docking station if you're wanting to put like holes in your wall to actually hang up a vacuum. But we got this specifically for a few reasons. First is we've got different types of floors, and we wanted something that would vacuum effectively on all of them. We've also got kids who are constantly making messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food and crumbs and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up. So we needed something that was more powerful to pick up that heavy debris. And then the third reason is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you're needing further convincing, let's talk about the swappable head and cyclone. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, tile. And then when activated, these little headlights will come on and illuminate the area in front of you for easier cleaning and to detect stuff that you're about to pick up. Then you have this crevice nozzle. And this is great for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush. Simply by pressing this button here, retracts back and protracts forward the brush, which is good for like removing dust from dusty surfaces or from like sensitive furniture. And then finally, you have the cyclone. So on this side, you have this little button here that if pressed allows you to actually remove the entire dustbin completely to wash out and rinse, but it also provides you access to the filters. Then to access and actually clean the filters, you simply grab this part here and you rotate it and then turn it out. And then you'll take this part, you'll run it underwater and rinse it off. You'll let it air dry for 24 hours and then you simply insert it back in. And then it'll like lock or wedge itself into place and then you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then by pressing this little trigger, it'll actually activate the cyclone and illuminate the back LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what mode of power you're using. So if you press this little button here, it'll actually switch it from the 3 different modes, from Eco to Turbo to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode. A couple of the fun features is that on Eco mode and an empty dustbin, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session. Higher upstairs, the laundry room, my kids' room, playroom, bathroom, book nook area, another kid's room. All of this carpet, the stairs, the living room, the kitchen, the dining room, the powder bathroom, the mud room, and the living room, our master bathroom, closet, and our bedroom as well. And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to Super Turbo Deluxe Boost mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs and stuff lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure to be standing over a trash can and then you'll just press this button here. It'll swing open the door, then just by giving it a couple of pats, and if necessary, a grab or two, empties out most of the remaining debris, and then you simply close the lid until it locks into place, and then you're good to go. And then charging is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this little port found here. And then if it's still attached to the cyclone, it'll illuminate the back LCD screen indicating how much it's charging or how much it needs to charge in order to reach 100%. But then you can also remove the battery completely and it'll still charge, shown by this little light that pulsates while charging. So it's not only versatile and convenient and easy to use, but it allows you to extend or shorten the wand to your preference for effective cleaning as well. So anyways, if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues, works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes like 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to both vacuum as a cordless stick vacuum or as a handheld. So yeah, it's great, especially for the turbo boost mode and picking up lodged crumbs or debris in carpet. So that's my product overview of the BRITECH Cordless Lightweight Stick Vacuum Cleaner. And if you got this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.